Quantum stocks are returning fire. Rgti is up 16.36% in the regular session of today, the 14th of January 2025. It was just the other day that we had a thumbnail that says that they need a PR machine, and maybe they have got one. Okay, and we have this is its daily chart. We have that before now it was constantly getting support from its 10-day moving average, but it broke below the 40-day. It constantly it was always getting support, rather get support, or seeing demand return whenever it approaches its 10-day moving average. We've now seen it trade close below its 40-day moving average. That will be the first time. Last time it ever did that was all the way back in September of last year. So that just shows you how impressive the stock has performed. The stock is in a strong bullish trend regardless of this correction. So we even have an upper projection that is even higher than its 52-week high. We have 20.53, and that is equally what you will see with D wave. That's equally what you're going to see, just pretty much the same pattern, close below its 40-day moving average, and up 7.05%, not as much as Rigetti, as Rgti, upper projection that is even higher than its 52-week high of 10.37. So this upper projection here is 10.8 or thereabout, $10.8. Yeah, 10.51, and then we have 11.434 D wave. D wave obviously is actually making money from quantum computing. They have been able to extract some practical use of this, and they are charging money. They are making money out of it, and they're not just selling to some unknown company. They are selling to, I believe it's Xerox or something like that, a proper blue chip company. So I think this even goes to say that they really need to back up their drive with some more PR as well. Okay, so this is what's going on. These two they're not the most active, but they are definitely very active in this session. So let's look at LAES. Let's LAES is equally a quantum stock as well. It hasn't closed. It didn't drop below its 40-day moving average, just hovering above that. It's not up today. It's down 0.209 $2.09, and upper projection is just right around its 52-week high of 9.03 as well. And there's a further upper projection as well. Let's see what that is. There's a further upper projection of, is this negated? It's still very much in play. We have a $10.52. Yeah, $10.52 for Seals SQ. Okay, let's quickly move on to R Robotics, or rather Rigetti Robotics. Rigetti is up around 28.3%. We don't exactly know what's behind this move. We might be able to find out. This is not new. No fresh news as such out there for the stock. So the stock is in a strong medium term trend, and it's just trying to showing some strength within that trend, showing some strength within that trend. Yeah, I don't exactly know what they do. It's just one of the most active stocks. Might be able to find some projections for the stock. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. We have here upper projection of 3.81. We have 5.69, 7.02. We have $7.88 for Rigetti Robotics. There must be some news out there behind this spike we are looking at, like we are watching now. So let's look at Tesla. Tesla is definitely one of the most active, up 0.35%. Let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see. We have downward projections. We have 373 point 373.8. We have 350.8. We have 307.69. These are downward projections. We haven't, obviously this is a 4 hour chart. We haven't seen any upper projections on this 4 hour chart, but indeed there are negative projections. We have 404.59. We also have 404 point, yeah, the same as well, 404. It's a reoccurring projection. Who knows when it's going to do that? It has actually done printed such highs all the way back in the middle of December. So I think it's showing it's in a strong bullish trend as well. Let's see. Okay, let's see. We have upper projection of 443.14. We have 453.39, and these are negated as well. These are negated upper projections. We have 503.14. Yeah, so but we equally have downward projections. We have 363.5. We have 346.36. These are downward projections. Yeah, and things are it's contracting the volatility that it was experiencing all the way back in the late to middle of December. So we have a contraction that is being projected by the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 day moving average. Maybe after that, we might see a move towards 453.39, and indeed, who knows, all the way towards $503. Okay, let's have a look at NMHI. And Nature Miracles is on the move as well. Let's see, it's run up a huge gain, 101.77%. This is its daily chart. Let's see, I think so, yeah. Let's see. We have any news? Wall Street set to open. Okay, so there must be some news out there for the stock. We might be able to find it here. Okay, shares up. Okay, pre-market activity after the company said it signed a securities purchase deal with a single institutional investor to sell up to a total of 29.7 million newly designated class of convertible preferred stock. Who knows? They could be the ones that are behind the pump of NMHI. Okay, let's see AIFF. Okay, we have a gain of 96.32%. We saw it close right on its most downward projection in play, which was in play was what which is $1.92, and it's from there that it spiked all the way towards where it is, and has broken through a couple of upper projections. We have here 2.69. We have here 2.81. We have here 2.88. All those are now supports as well, downward projections as well. And it's just right on an upper projection, a couple of negated upper projections of $3.73. Yeah, expect some retracements to occur, some corrections to occur, and these are the sort of levels it might come back to. But yeah, we have also negated upper projections of 4.27. Okay, so let's quickly move on to APLD. APLD is up 7.79%. Okay, not very much is going on here. Applied Digital Corporation. Yeah, it's just it has traded a lot of shares. That's why we are watching it. It has indicated our projection of 16.1. This was as of 18th of December of last year. Yeah. So it's equally in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. Okay, yeah. So yeah, see what you make of all of these stocks, especially the quantum ones, GTI, QBTS, and LAES. And thank you very much for watching this video.